Hello everyone, I'm Raniela with this essential. I will be reporting assignment 7. Direction. Determine the vertex, focus, and the length and endpoints of the lattice rectum. State the equation of the axis of symmetry and the directrix of the parabola. Number 3. X minus 5 squared is equal to negative 8 times y plus 1. So, ang variable na walang exponent is y. So, ang parabola natin is mag-opens downward. So, solve natin ang focal distance. So, negative 4 over negative 4 is equal to negative 8 over negative 4. So, divide by both sides negative 4. So, negative 4a divide negative 4 is equal to a, whilst negative 8 divide negative 4 is equal to 2. So, 2a is equal to 2 times 2. Since ang a natin is 2, so the answer is 4. Vertex, 5, negative 1. So, ang vertex natin is 5, negative 1. So, nandito ang vertex. Para naman makuha natin ang focus, gagamitin natin ang focal distance. So, bibilang tayo ng dalawang beses na pababa. Dahil ang parabola natin is opens downward. So, 1, 2. So, ang focus natin is 5, negative 3. Para naman makuha ang directrix, bibilang lang ulit tayo ng dalawang beses pataas. So, 1, 2. So, ang directrix natin is y is equal to 1. Para naman natin makuha ang axis of symmetry, dahil ang directrix natin is horizontal, ang axis of symmetry natin is vertical. So, x is equal to 5. Next is, para natin makuha ang latus rectum, bibilang lang tayo 4 na beses papuntang kaliwa at kanan. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, unang latus rectum natin is 9, negative 3. Second is 1, negative 3. Para naman makuha ang length of latus rectum, gagamitin natin ang formulang 4a. So, 4 times 2 is equal to 8 units.